Okay, Cheriba. Good. Now, you wrote this. You wrote this. What is there on the screen? Say QE. Q is yes. And then what is no? Non. Non. Non means no. Yes. Very, very funny, no? I know. If we go to Fre- French's chat. Tu, tu. Tu, tu. Tu, tu. Tu, tu. Okay. Tu, tu. Next, what is the meaning of? Uh, did you understand? Yes or no? Ah, you to say yes? No, you do not supposed to say yes. What will you say? QE. Did you understand? No means non. Okay. Now close your eyes like this. Close your eyes like this. Now I'll tell you the word in English. You tell the word in French. Ready? I. Very good. Wonderful. Clap, 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 clap. But you can't clap. Your eyes are closed. Hey, don't cheat. Keep your eyes closed. Cheating, 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 girl. You. Happy birthday to you. Very good. Turiva. Okay. Then yes. Okay. I will ask you. To chat. To chat. Answer me. Chat means. What does chat mean? Come on. Tell me fast. Are you cat? I'm asking you. Are you cat? It's not no. What will you say in French? Okay. To Riva. Q. Yeah, very good. Open your eyes. Very good. Wonderful. So we finished five words, right? One. J. Repeat with me. J. To chat. You. Non. Non. No. Right? Okay. Very nice. I'm very happy you're doing so fast. You're tired, no? Are you not tired? You're so smart. You're so. What did you eat in the morning? Camel's milk? Oh, I thought you ate the camel. Camel मुझे दूध पीना है. नहीं, UAE, no. There's so many camels I've heard, right? है ना? They drink camel's milk, no? Like गाय का दूध जैसा. Yes. Okay. What is your native language? Which language you speak, dear? You are Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Malayalam. What is your language in your house?